What does it take to do well as a nursing expert witness? Do you qualify to review this case by virtue of your education, training, and experience? My name is Pat Iyer. I've been an expert witness since 1987. Sometimes an attorney asks expert witnesses in a very confrontational way during a deposition, what makes you think you're an expert? You have to be able to defend yourself and answer that question in a credible, logical way. If you're asked in a deposition why you think you're an expert, how would you answer? Typically, experts draw their strength from these factors. Education. Ideally, the expert is well educated. An advanced degree in nursing is desirable. The expert should have a minimum of an associate's degree, a bachelor's, or ideally a master's degree. Training. Ideally, the expert is clinically certified in the subspecialty of nursing. The person has received specialized training in this aspect of nursing. Experience. The expert is well experienced in the clinical care in question. Some states require an active clinical practice within a certain number of years of the incident. If you're unsure, ask the attorney about regulations in that particular state. I qualified these statements with the term ideally because there are well-qualified experts thoroughly grounded in the clinical issues of a case who do not have an advanced degree or certification. When pitted against an expert on the other side who has both the degrees and the certification, the first expert may look less qualified. Keep in mind the Federal Rule 702 called Testimony by Expert Witnesses. It states a witness who is qualified as an expert by knowledge, skill, and experience, training, or education may testify in the form of an opinion or otherwise if the expert's scientific, technical, or other specialized knowledge will help the trier of fact to understand the evidence or to determine a fact and issue. The testimony is based on sufficient facts or data. The testimony is the product of reliable principles and methods, and the expert has reliably applied these principles and methods to the facts of the case. Get more tips about refining your skills as a legal nurse consultant by ordering one of my books, Honing Your Legal Nurse Consulting Skills. It gives you more great tips about working as an expert witness. Order it today at the link below and also pick up your free ebooks at patiyer.com.